Welcome. I'm Meredith. This is the Oasis Spiritual Empowerment Tarot. All about tarot, oracle, and empowering you. And today we have another Kickstarter unboxing from Libra Moon. And look, I love that they did this. So they show all their previous decks, and we have some upcoming decks, which is really exciting. And if you're not aware, on Android, they do have apps for two of their decks. I think it's for two, right? Or no, more than two. Mood of the Moon, Serpent and the Peacock, Three Moons, and wow. Apple is apparently a pain in the butt. They don't want to accept any new tarot or astrology apps. But hopefully eventually they'll make it to Apple. I'll tell you, I've tried a couple tarot deck apps. I don't really like them because for me, I'm very kinesthetic. I need to feel the deck. But I actually would get this. I think I'd at least check it out. But I have an Apple. So we'll see. If it comes to Apple, I will get it. But let's get into this deck. Oh my goodness. This came so crazy fast, can I tell you? Oh, it's so pretty. So this is the Medieval Oracle of the Beasts. And I do have their other decks next to me, so we can kind of take a look and see how they look together. This box is gorgeous, and in fact, I'll show you. If you haven't seen, the Tarot of Paul's Moon, look how gorgeous they are together. And they are meant to be, like this is the oracle to go with Paul's Moon, the tarot deck. Beautiful. I mean, the quality, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Is that showing up? Lighting is just a pain in the butt, let me tell you. I love that. All right. The quality of everything they do is just absolutely superb. Oh. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. It's like a hardcover, leather bound. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. With a bookmark. This is just gorgeous. I mean, it's gorgeous. Now, I'm going to tell you, their decks aren't cheap, but you get, it's fabulous quality. And if it's in your budget, they are well worth the price, I think. And honestly, I would pay a little more if I had to, because I do think they're worth it. But it depends on what you like, of course. But just speaking strictly in terms of quality, I think it's. I think that they're reasonably priced for the quality. That plastic is like the bane of my existence on all these decks. Okay. Look at these backs. They're so pretty. And the gilding. Oh, wow. We have that gold. Oh, the color is so vibrant. I really hope this picks up well. Amphisbaena? I don't know. double perspectives. So we get the name of the creature and a keyword. You just kind of lay these out as I go, maybe. With the asp. Hearing is blocked with tail. That's interesting. I mean, it is, clearly. Basilisk. Death, rebirth, evil eye. So we get multiple keywords, depending on the card. Put this to the side for now. We'll take a look at the book after I go through. Ooh, look at this. Bat, intuition, and adaptability. Now these are beautiful, beautiful matte. Oh, another bat. Able to navigate in darkness. I like that. Bear, courage and introspection. I don't think another one will fit. Let me scoot these over a little. Okay. B, community and productivity. I don't know if the colors are being done justice with this lighting. I don't know how. Man, I hate lighting. I should take a class just in like how to use lighting better. Because I really stink at it. Can I tell you? I mean, you probably don't need me to tell you. Boar, fierceness and protection. Oh, look at this. Bull, stand your ground and fertility. Is that better or worse? I feel like it might be worse. Let's try this. Maybe? I don't know. Butterfly, transformation and joy. Now, if you're familiar with me, you're probably not surprised that I have to kind of move the card a little bit to be able to read it. When it's at the right angle, it's very, very easy to read. When there's like a shadow, I guess it's harder, but you're going to get that with any kind of metallic. But the font is fabulous. It makes it very readable, as long as it's not in the shadow. I don't know how to. Oh, so irritating. Caladrius, health and divine intervention. Cat, independence and intuition. These are gorgeous. Centaur, instinctual primal nature. There are a ton of cards too. Oops. That's okay. Chimera, internal conflict, chaos. Cock, vigilance, new beginnings. There's just, I don't know how to describe it. There's a vibrancy to these images that's it's so wonderful. And I love the card size. I guess I should show you. Cockatrice, danger and destruction. Here's my standard tarot. We are finally back at my desk, so I could show you. So, not too much bigger than standard tarot. A fair bit wider. I mean, it's an oracle deck. So as oracles go, I feel like it's a very reasonable size. You know, they're larger than tarot, but not crazy huge. Cow, abundance and prosperity. I think it's a great size for this deck because we get such a great look at the images. Crane, longevity, vigilance. Crocodile, open mouth, insert foot. That's fabulous. Crow, intelligence and prophecy. Deer, unconditional love. Oh, I love that. Dog, unwavering loyalty. I love these cards. I love the keywords. Dove, peace, hope, a message. Oh man, I can't wait to use this deck. Dragon, power, protection. Dragonfly, adaptability with change. Eagle, freedom, justice, truth. How gorgeous is this? Elephant, memory never forgets. Elephant rat, wise resourcefulness. Escargot, that's fabulous. Embrace contradictions. Falcon, that's my bird. Focus, clarity, vision. Fish, intuition, emotions. There's the Pisces. Fox, clever, cunning, deceptive. Frog, moving between worlds. That's interesting. I wonder if it's because of the transformation of like tadpole to frog. Giraffe, reaching new heights. Goat, ambition, independence. Hamilton, please stop. It's too early. It's very early in the morning. Griffin, guardian of the sacred. I love that. Harpy, greed, temptation, chaos. Hawk, that's my special bird. So stupid. Keen observation, insights. Hedgehog, setting boundaries. Heron, finding balance. Look how gorgeous these are. Like, seriously. Horse, journeying forward. Hydra, overcoming challenges. Hydrus, to kill from the inside. Wow. Ibex, climb to spiritual heights. Kangaroo, only moving forward. Kraken, mystery, deep fears. Oh, how beautiful. Ladybug, love, good luck, joy. Leopard, elusive, cunning, shapeshift. Leviathan, addictions, dark forces. Lion, strength, king of the jungle. Lion, oh, so we have two lions like the bat. Courage, leadership, and power. You can never have too many lions. Or bats, I love bats. Lynx, secrets, hidden truths. Oh, Manticore, fear, danger, secrecy. Another Manticore, strategy and battle. Mermaid, intuition, emotions. Is that what we had for the fish too, for my Pisces? I think that was the same. Let's just say. Yep, So that's interesting. So we have same keywords. Different energy to the cards, though, I think. I like it. So I'm not fussed about the same keywords. Minotaur, primal instinct, inner conflict. Monkey, that's a creepy monkey. Playfulness, curiosity. Cat's a little creepy looking too, but super cool. Moth, attraction to the light. Ouroboros, cycle of rebirth. Owl, wisdom, knowledge. Panther, protection, self-reliance. Parrot, communication, imitation. That's beautiful. Peacock, beauty, self-expression. Pegasus, inspiration, transcendence. Pelican, nurturing, self-sacrifice. Periton, merging past with present. Phoenix, overcoming misfortune. Pig, luck, prosperity, abundance. Polka dot pendragon, magic. Love that. Porcupine, safety through trust. That's really interesting. Trusting in yourself, right? Take care of yourself. Rabbit, fertility, leap of faith. Ram, take charge of your life. Another ram, inspiration, leadership. Raven, prophecy, shadow work. Rooster, it's time. That's fabulous. Scorpion, step away from the toxic ones. Serpent, shedding of the old skin. Sheep, breaking free from the herd. Siren, temptation, seduction. Snail, security comes from within. Spider, what a tangled web we weave. Squirrel, prepare for the future. Stag, embrace wisdom over aggression. Stork, the future will bring joy. Swan, grace, transformation. Turtle, slow and steady progress. Unicorn, follow your dreams. Oh, I love that. Whale, ancestral wisdom, peace. Wolf, intuition, pack loyalty. Woodpecker, persistence, determination. And Yale, meet challenges head on. So we have 91 cards. Super fabulous. I love a big deck. Oh my, I am just... Let's give these a shuffle. Now it's 91 cards. But let's see how we do. And of course, I hurt my hand. No big deal, but it's very sore. So, but it shuffles. Except for operator error, it shuffles beautifully. But again, my hand's like, it's like my thumb. It's killing me. But let's just say, give it another shuffle. And then, why don't I, well, we'll pick one. Yeah, I can't shuffle today. It's 100% me, not the deck. But it moves really easily. Now, of course, if this deck was too thick, you could certainly break it. So if I have like a really thick deck, I'll split it in half, give it a shuffle. I probably can't even shuffle this, though. Let's see. I'll shuffle it like this. And then say I can't. It's just me. And then I'll shuffle this one. And then I'll split them in half, shuffle together, you know, like that. So if it's too thick for you to shuffle, that's one way to take care of that. Overhand, super easy. It's a little bit of a stretch, not too bad. I do have big hands. Yeah, so let's just pick one, and we'll read from the guidebook, and then I'll lay these out with the Tower of Paul's Moon, and, you know, there are other decks too, just to kind of see how they look. So that's a good one for today. This one. Polka Dot Pendragon Magic. I love that one. So, they are in order of the number. So very easy to find in the book. So we're number 69. So you have a nice full color image on one page. You get some keywords. So we have the one that's on the card, magic. We also have extraordinary and fun. And you get one page per card. So it says, in the midst of ancient tales arises the polka dot pendragon, a mystical being shrouded in mystery. Its coat adorned with spots symbolizes a delicate balance between light and darkness. This enigmatic guardian embodies both whimsical charm and profound strength, teaching that authority can be lighthearted and insight can be found in the unconventional. The Pendragon's lesson is to welcome the unknown and seek wonder in the mundane. Delve between appearances to discover the extraordinary nestled within the ordinary. In the intricate dance of dots lies the promise of enchantment waiting to unfurl. And then we have an affirmation. Like a seed sprouting through concrete, I believe in the magic that resides within, manifesting my dreams with unwavering faith and a grateful heart. I love that. It's absolutely wonderful. So each card has an affirmation, which is fabulous. Let's just see if there's anything. It talks about the inspiration for the deck. Other decks and websites. And Carol Ann is, I did say this is Libra moon, right? I don't know her last name, and I don't think it's anywhere. It's just Carol Ann. Kind of like Cher. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So let me grab the Tower of Paul's Moon, and we'll pair these first because they are meant to go together. And if you haven't seen this beauty, oh my goodness, I'll link my unboxing in the description so you can see how they look. Almost the exact same size too. Look at the backs. So nice. Let's try to center. Ooh. Okay. So now the finish is a little bit different. These are a little smoother, like they're not glossy, but almost like a very light lamination or something, it feels like. Whereas with this one, it's a very smooth matte, like you can hear it, as opposed to this one's like very slidey. They're both really nice cardstocks, but you know, just in case you're curious. And for size comparison, very, very slight difference. I think they're the same width. The tarot deck is like a hair taller. You can see that. But yeah. Yeah, I did. So I read reversals, and I didn't mean to mix them up for this, because, you know, so you could see them, but I love these together. Oh, can you hear my stomach? I'm sorry if you can. I have not gotten around to breakfast yet. These are so, oh man. These are perfect together. They're absolutely perfect. And I like that the textures are different, personally. But I mean, they go beautifully. Aren't these like the cards that are coming up together, I just think are so perfect together too. Like we have the Two of Swords, and then we have the Serpent, shedding of the old skin. Right? I feel like that's your choice. Ten of Wands, and then the Heron, finding balance. Like, I just think these are perfect. Five of Wands, prepare for the future. King of Wands, breaking free from the herd. Hamilton, come here. Five of Pentacles, merging past with present. I don't know. These are just really. Queen of Swords, beauty and self-expression. Ten of Swords, wisdom and knowledge. Come on. Aren't these like perfect? Like, that's crazy. Magician, Eagle, freedom, justice, and truth. I mean, some are more on the nose than others, but Six of Pentacles, adaptability with change. All right, we'll just do a couple more. Sun, inspiration and leadership. Ace of Wands, safety through trust. Okay, that one maybe not as much. But most of these are just like so perfect. It's kind of reinforcing each other. You know what I mean? High Priestess, death, rebirth, evil eye. I love, look at that High Priestess. Persistence, determination. These are just gorgeous. And actually, this one would have gone with that. And look. Nine of Pentacles. Ancestral wisdom, and peace. Alright. I'm going to stop. Justice, stand your ground. Fertility. The Chariot, able to navigate in darkness. I mean, come on. It's just so funny. Nice simple things make me happy. King of Pentacles. Hearing is blocked with tail. This is so interesting. Hamilton, come here. You're being a jerk. Alright. So let's just kind of split these a little more. It's going to be cut off a little, but just so you could see even more kind of how they look. That's so funny. 3 of Wands. And then for the links, we have Secrets, Hidden Truths. I'm just saying, doesn't it look like they're kind of gossiping a little? Maybe talking some secrets. I'm just saying. Now, do I think that because I saw this? Maybe. But it does look like that. It's just funny. I like it. I like it. All right. So let me add in Serpent and the Peacock, which is just one of my absolute favorite decks. Pretty much. I feel like all of their decks are going to be my favorite decks. And I do have the art edition too. Hamilton, come here. But I think this is a better, it's going to fit better. But if you want to see the backs, like size-wise. Okay. Hamilton, come here. Just kind of... We can pull these off too. So the finish for these two is very close. I don't know if it's the same, but it's very similar. So if you have one, just so you know. I love that moon. So if you wanted a deck to pair with this one that was maybe a little smaller so you could fit more, I mean, this is gorgeous. And I think it goes beautifully too. And with this, you could add them all very, very easily. Okay, now let's see if we can add one more to the mix. So this one is Mood of the Moon Oracle. And this is such a great deck. It's just absolutely fabulous. And we might even be able to fit all of these on screen, maybe. Let's see. Okay. Yes. So, and if you haven't seen this one, I can link my unboxing in the description. It's super, super fabulous. It's got, depending on how, you pull the card, the direction, it's got different meanings. And I'll show you the back. Just really quickly pull all the backs. This goes really well with this. But also, I think they all go really nicely together, I'd say. But if you wanted something a little more compact, these two would do it. But I love all of them. I think as a very kinesthetic person, I like the way this feels a little better. But I love the way they all feel. Does that make sense? So it's not like these don't feel great. It's just my personal preference is this. I really like, it's kind of like the Madhouse Tarot. It's not as thick, but it's got a similar finish, if you're familiar with that. I love that. Busy as a bee. And we have the King of Pentacles. And then we have protection and self-reliance. Like I say, I feel like they just come up really nicely together. I haven't been paying attention to all of them. That's interesting. Justice, the Moon, versatile. And then the cycle of rebirth. That's really interesting. I mean, I'm not doing a reading, but it's just funny how they're coming up. I just feel like, look at this temperance, everything just flows. Primal instinct, inner conflict. The Knight of Wands. Alright. So I could do this for probably too long. But let me know what you think. If you have this deck, if you have all of these decks, I love this set, and look at the edging. So if you haven't seen this one in full, I would definitely check it out because it's such a great deck. But I don't want to end on the monkey. But yeah, so let me know what you think. I am absolutely in love with all of these. And you know, if you like medieval art, especially, oh my goodness, this is just wonderful. And I do, in case it's not obvious. But even if I didn't, I think this is just, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I think these are absolutely perfect together. They did such a fabulous, fabulous job. I love this. I love that cat. So yeah, so let me know what you think. And until next time, just be wonderful to yourself. Be really, really wonderful, because you deserve the best, only the best, all the best, and that is my wish for you.